Hello, and welcome back to Miss Cooper's class, online learning today for word choice. Today's objective reads, choose precise language and make syntactical choices to reflect an understanding how language contributes to meaning. Now, there are two different ways we're going to look at that today. The first one is being specific terms are defined, and we will be looking at figurative language. So the first thing we're going to look at is that specific terms are defined. Today we're going to look at portions of an essay about narwhals, also known as the unicorns of the sea. Now, I chose to look at an essay about this topic because not everybody knows about narwhals. They may not have an accurate understanding of the specific terminology. And remember, we're trying to look at how specific terms are defined. So let's look at this example. Their large lungs, flexible rib cage, and high concentrations of myoglobin in their blood allow narwhals to survive in their Arctic homes. What's the problem here? If you are reading this, where are you going to be lost? What questions are you going to have for this author? You are probably wondering, what is myoglobin? Myoglobin is a molecule in muscle that binds with oxygen. So how can we let our readers know what this is without interrupting the flow of the sentence? Well, let's look at this sentence. This example reads, narwhals are able to survive at great depths because of their large lungs, flexible rib cage, and a high concentration of myoglobin, or a molecule in muscle that binds with oxygen. Now that we've successfully defined specific terms in our essay without interrupting the flow of the sentence, we're going to move on to figurative language. Figurative language means a word or phrase that does not have a normal everyday meaning like metaphor, simile, or imagery. For this example on figurative language, I'm going to bring you back to that essay about narwhals. So narwhals are really good at diving deep into the ocean. I really want to put into context how good they are compared to other whales in the Arctic Ocean. So here I'm going to use a metaphor. A metaphor is a word or phrase that is applied to an object or action which it is not literally applicable. So for the purposes of this essay and those narwhals that really know how to dive deep into the ocean, I came up with a metaphor like this one. Narwhals are the Olympian divers of the Arctic and can reach diving depths of up to 4,900 feet. So we have looked at both defining terms or being specific with our terms in our essay and using figurative language. I hope you've enjoyed today's video on narwhals. They're all true facts. And here is a cute little video to leave you with. Bye!